What is a 203K standard renovation mortgage? It's an FHA mortgage with a renovation feature. It allows you to have one loan that includes the purchase or refinance of your home, as well as funds for remodeling or repairs. It can only be used for your primary residence. 3.5% is the minimum down payment for a purchase. However, structural changes are allowed. More information about the 203K standard renovation mortgage. Luxury and recreational items are not allowed. However, luxury and recreational items are allowed with the home style renovation mortgage. We'll talk more about the home style renovation mortgage later in the presentation. Now, let's look at the eligible improvements that can be made with the 203K standard renovation mortgage. Eligible improvements are the same as the 203K limited renovation mortgage, plus structural alterations and additions can be made. A single family property can be converted to a 2 to 4 family property. A 2 to 4 family property can be converted to a single family property. Other eligible improvements would include foundation repairs, major landscape work, correction of grading and drainage problems, repair of existing walks and driveways. Duration of renovation. All renovations must be completed within 6 months of the closing. The HUD consultant. A HUD consultant is required on all 203K standard renovation mortgages. We'll talk more about HUD consultants later in the presentation. Now, let's look at another renovation mortgage product. The Homestyle Renovation Mortgage offers more options as compared to the 203K. Just stay on my YouTube channel and look for this video. What is a Homestyle Renovation Mortgage?